There you go, Mike Boss Hoss on the sticks. 68-inch yak. A high alpha knife edge.
At least it's on video. What happened? Left orientation. At least it's on video. I know why I needed a spare.
What's that?
Fucking round is hard.
Oh, yeah. How close you got, you know, offhand?
I'd probably about 12, 14 inches. Well, that was a good video of it, it's the way she died.
Holy shit.
It's done.
Fucking all over.
There's not the word for it.
There's nothing. At least I got a spare. Holy shit.
Well,
Dude, check that fucking cow out, man. It's all...
There ain't a fucking thing left of this thing. I hope the motor ain't fucked up.
well, this ground is so,
Look at your spinner, man.
this ground is so fucking hard, though. Jesus, what do you expect?
Hey, save that wing... Oh, no, that's what
It's like a rock.
Holy.
Sorry, Mike.
That's the way it goes. Yeah, you hate to see him.
God.
That's the way it goes.
I know that's the way it goes.
Look at the landing mount, man.
Oh, it's fucking destroyed.
Oh, yeah.
At least, I mean, the mount itself stayed intact. That thing's
Yeah.
solid, man. Fuck.
That's the way it goes.
God.
Yeah, man. You just got to be rich enough to have another one, you know? And, you know? That's all there is to it.
Well, we all...
Save that tube, that wing tube.
Coming up out of the knife edge loop, I didn't have enough ground, and I panicked and hit the aileron, spun it over, lost orientation, and put it in.